Good morning, all. So, today I wish to talk about the increased suicidal rates during COVID 19. So, we know this pandemic has affected all over the world. The whole population is suffering. The whole population mental health is deteriorating. And there are many studies conducted on this. A survey conducted by SPIF, Suicide Prevention Indian Foundation, and their results reveal that lots of people are experiencing anxiety, stress, unemployment, isolation, etc. And WHO report indicate that India is the highest suicidal rates. India showing the highest suicidal rates during this COVID-19 in Southeast Asia. There are lots of government providing mental health services. Also, not only government, many private sectors are providing it through online platforms. So it's very easy, and the fear of stigma is avoided. And therapists and counselors have reported that there is an increased rate of people approaching them for help, and particularly the young ones who shows suicidal tendencies. So that's something very plus point. That lots of people are approaching, and counselors are experiencing caregiver fatigue. So we know typically when we tell about the suicide, it's always connected to mental health. But truly saying this is also, it also reflects the broader socio-cultural, economic and political realities as well. Also, media play a very important role during this time, that they can promote the importance of mental health, signposting the source of help, and reporting the stories of hope and recovery. So such optimistic news can help people to face this issue, to fight with it, and they will be able to overcome this. Also, we have noticed that there have been an increased rate of suicide among celebrities during this COVID-19 time. Higher quality of lifestyle, everything is something higher quality things. Same, their mental health needs are also a bit complex one, unaddressed due to different psychological concerns like unwillingness to give up their fame, or mistrust, isolation, character splitting. So such things can lead to lack of treatment seeking behaviors, or lack of having knowledge about mental health. And it has been reported that there have been lots of actors and actresses from different language have committed suicide for different reasons like loss of contract, unemployment, financial problems, relationship problems, such things. And one of the news which we are familiar is the death of Sushant Singh, a famous actor. In one of his film, Chichor, that he is creating an awareness of suicide. But unfortunately, he died by suicide. So I think during this time, one of the group which are more vulnerable is celebrities group. So they should be taken care, like their mental health assessment should be taken on a mandatory basis, and they should be given training programs. And it will be also good to have an extensive psychological autopsy that will help us to know the risk factors of suicide. So not only them, also reports have shown that younger ones and older ones are more prone to this. We all are prone to mental illnesses during this period, especially depression, anxiety, and etc. things. So the thing which we have to do is that we should be very alert and vigilant, know about the risk factors of suicide, and just know your own emotions, your own thoughts, just introspect yourself. Also know about your loved ones, whether your loved ones are going through such situation, be a helping hand to them. Hoping that we will all fight this and we will all come back. Stay safe and healthy at your homes. Thank you.